Do you know what happens when you push a small snowball down a hill? It continuously picks up snow and becomes a huge snowball when it reaches the bottom of the mountain. However, the snowball doesn't get bigger at the same rate while rolling downhill. It gets bigger, faster and faster as it rolls down. The snowball compounds as it rolls down the hill. Compounding is essentially a snowballing effect. Compounding is when you earn interest on your initial investment and that interest earns you more interest. For example, the future value of SIP of Rs 5,000 per month, assuming a 12% CAGR return, will be Rs 4.06 lakhs. But when you double your SIP period from 5 years to 10 years, the future value of the same SIP will be Rs 11.20 lakh. At the end of the 20th year, the value of the same SIP will be Rs 45.99 lakhs. So, if you stay with your SIPs in mutual funds for a long time, you can gain a substantial amount. Invest in mutual funds and stay invested for the long term to get benefited from the power of compounding. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.